This is what came in the mail today. This is a Champion inverter generator, but this one is an open frame inverter generator. Why does that matter? It actually doesn't. It just makes it a little bit cheaper, and it's a tad louder than your typical enclosed inverter generators. This one, the model number is 200-913. That's 200-913. It does come with a remote. It's 4,250 starting watts and 3,500 running watts. Primarily, this will be used for an RV. It is RV ready, and it will be used for home preparedness for hurricanes, emergencies, and things like that. It does not have a fuel gauge, but it does have a couple other gauges that are of use. So, one of the things I want to highlight on this is that while this is an open frame inverter generator, it's listed at only 64 decibels. The gentleman that has the other generator on this channel that we did a couple reviews on, that one there is rated at 59 decibels. This one's rated at 64. So even though this is open frame, this is actually a pretty quiet generator. So we're gonna go ahead, and in this video, all I'm gonna actually do is open the box and show you what's inside. But then as a follow-on, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do some videos of this generator sound-wise compared to that enclosed inverter generator. We'll also hook it up to the RV, and we'll hook it up to some things at the house just to show you how it performs. I'll go ahead and I'll get the box open now so you can see what's inside. Before I actually open the box, let me just go through the specs with you real quick. Starting watts, 4,250. Running watts, 3,500, 120 volt. Frequency is 60, noise level 64 decibels. It's got a 22-hour runtime, 224 cc engine. It's gasoline. This is not dual fuel. This one holds 4 gallons of fuel. That was a big selling point for me. Typical oil, and there's your oil capacity. And I'll say that I paid $592 for this, shipped from Walmart is where I got it. Shipped to my house, 590 bucks. Pretty good deal. So let's get it open. Got the box open. We have your operator's manual, piece of cardboard. We have your accessories. I'm going to assume that these are the wheels, the wheel kit. But there's your wheel kit, and there's your motor oil, funnel, and I believe these are for the wheels as well. And this is your handle. Other than that, sorry I'm doing this one-handed. We have the unit itself. Looks like it weathered the shipping pretty good. And I think I might stand corrected. I did not think this came with a fuel gauge, but that appears to be a fuel gauge. So let's get this out and check it out. Okay, we have it open. It's actually a pretty sharp looking unit. As you can see, we have some of the gauge work. We have power, the parallel link, the USB, RV plug, and then we have 2 120 volt plugs. This I did not realize it when I bought it. This does come with a fuel gauge, which I did not think it did, so that's a kind of a plus for me. I will be putting this on wheels. Down here we have the battery. And then on the other side, we have the pull start. So there you go. This is a Champion. Model number is 200-913. 4,250 starting watts, 3,500 running watts. And the number one thing I liked about this, other than the ridiculously good price, is the fact that it has a remote start. And that is going to save me some trouble when I'm camping, or quite frankly if I'm in the house and I need to start it up in the middle of the night. So that's it for this video. We'll get this thing out. We'll get it assembled a little bit more. We'll get it out. We'll start doing some testing with it to let you know how this is. The only video I saw on this particular unit was from Champion. That was put up maybe 3 weeks ago. So if this is one you've been looking at and you're not sure about it, please subscribe, and we will be coming back at you with some more content on this particular generator. One last little nugget before I leave you. Champion generator pro tip number 1. After searching for 15 minutes, looking for the remote, thinking it wasn't shipped or somebody took it, I actually read this little thing that says remote storage. It's on the back of the generator. It's hanging on a nice little clip, and it's right there. So save yourself the trouble. It's not in the box. It's not with the wheels. It's not anywhere else. Thank you, and we appreciate you watching.